रायन डिसुझा हो गोंयचो फामाद फुटबॉलर. तो FC बार्देस पंगडांतल्यान दुबय खेळपाक गेल्लो. मात पासपोर्ट सोंपिल्ल्यान ताका थंय अटक करून फ्रॉड केशींत घुस्पावन 500 वर्सांची कादय फर्मायल्या. ह्या संदर्भात बिरेस्तारा हावजांत प्रस्न आयिल्लो. मुखेलमंत्र्यान ह्या संदर्भात लक्ष घालपाचें आश्वासन दिलां. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
रायन डिसोजा जो क्वेश्चन रेज केल्लो गेल्या एप्रिलाक एक रायन म्हणून बरो फुटबॉलर जेन्ना गोंयान आदी पासून जे नांव वाडलेले इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट जंपो साळगांवकर सेजार ह्यो टिमी चलयताले आनी तितूनच ISLान स्पॉन्सर करपी एक स्टॅन्ली मेळ्ळो. सो जेन्ना रायनान ह्या हितून टिमीन चान्स पडोंक ना आनी जेन्ना तो भितर येयलो की तेंच्या बरोबर तेणें तेजेर विश्वास दवरून तो FC बार्देस टिमीन जॉयन जालो. आनी इन्सिडेंटली ते खेळ्ळ्या उपरांत कांय खबर नासतना हीच FC टीम दुबय खेळपाक गेली आनी तेका तेणेन दुबय खेळपाक गेलो. तो जेन्ना तेजी विजा सोंपली तेन्ना तेका गोंयान वयता आसतना तेका एअरपोर्टार धरून तेका अरेस्ट केलो. तो तर भायर येतलो जाल्यार सिंपथेटिकल ग्रावंडार सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट एक्सटर्नल मिनिस्टरान करूंक जाय किंवा प्रायम मिनिस्टरानूय इनवॉल्व जावंक जाय, इंटरव्यून जावंक जाय आनी तेज्या खातीर हो इश्यू हांवें हावजान हाडलेलो.
I am Ryan's father, and as the case goes, that Ryan has been sentenced for 500 years in Dubai. Okay, so now the court said the fraud has been done by the company. Okay, so what I'm saying is the owner may be responsible, is responsible for the fraud, and Ryan has been falsely accused. So we had approached ex-minister Dayanand Manrekar. He took us to Savyakar, the MP, who sent a letter to Sushma Swaraj. And then Ramakant Kalab also has sent a letter to Sushma Swaraj. And even our local MLA Vinod Palekar has taken us to the director of NRI. They have written to the Dubai consulate. But things are moving very slowly, so we are not getting any response. So today I would like to thank MLAs who have taken up this question, especially Nilkant, and supported also by Babu Kaulikar, who was there for the meet, as well as Churchill Alemao. I would like to thank them all today because the attention has gone to the CM, and CM has given assurance that he will look into the matter as he requires the details of the case and as he is going to Delhi.
Sir, you had written to, I think, Sushma Swaraj, and there was a petition online which was addressed to her.
Yes.
Have you eventually managed to meet her, and why haven't you tried to meet her yet?
Appeal to the Chief Minister. Yes, I would like the Chief Minister to put in a word so that it reaches Sushma Swaraj, our External Office Minister, because Ryan is wrongly accused. I know that, because working for just 4 months in the company, and he has been accused of a fraud and given a sentence of 500 years in line with the owner also and the managing director, like they are all given one sentence.